How to use Pitchfork in trading. Please take a short moment to read the risk disclaimer. Thank you, guys. So, when you want to draw an ascending pitchfork, you have to select 3 points, 1, 2, 3, and you'll have the ascending pitchfork. This is the lower medium line, this is the medium line, and this is the upper medium line. This lower medium line acts as a dynamic support, so if the price is in this point, after selecting 3 points, 1, 2, 3, 3 pivot points, it could retest the lower medium line before increasing towards the medium line. The medium line could be used as a first upside target, okay, and the upper medium line could be used as a second upside target. The price could increase towards the medium line after maybe testing and retesting the lower medium line, confirming this line as a dynamic support, or it could jump towards it without retesting the lower medium line. But personally, I like when the price retests the lower medium line. Maybe if it registers a false breakdown below it, a pin bar, a false breakdown below it with huge separation before moving towards the medium line. The medium line acts as a magnet and it attracts the price in 80% cases and situations, okay? And when the price reaches the medium line, it could drop towards the lower medium line, it could make a false breakout above it, or it could register a valid breakout above it, and it could continue towards the upper medium line, okay? When the price jumps above the medium line, it could normally come back to test and retest the medium line before continuing to move higher towards the upper medium line. So when the price jumps above the medium line, maybe you should wait for a retest, because the breakout could be invalidated if the price drops below the medium line, and if the price stabilizes below the medium line, then it could drop towards the lower medium line. And very important, when the price maybe increases from the lower medium line, and when it fails to reach the medium line, then it could come back towards the lower medium line. So these lines attract the price, okay? So if the price fails to reach the medium line, then it could drop towards the lower medium line. And maybe when the price fails to reach the upper medium line, then the price could come back towards the medium line, right? So you can use this lower medium line as a support, dynamic support, and when the price drops, makes a valid breakdown here below this lower medium line, then you should expect the price to drop again, okay? Let's continue and let's talk about the descending pitchfork. So all you have to do is to select 3 points, 3 pivots, 1, 2, 3, and the platform will draw your descending pitchfork trading tool. So this tool is very important. This tool helps you to identify trading opportunities, great trading opportunities, targets, exhaustion points, reversal points, and you can use this trading tool, the Pitchfork, Andrew's Pitchfork tool, with other indicators and with other tools. So let's talk about the descending pitchfork here. So after you select 3 pivot points, 1, 2, 3, the platform draws the the descending pitchfork, and you'll have the upper medium line, the medium line, the lower medium line. So in this case, the upper medium line should be used as a dynamic resistance. The medium line represents the first downside target. The lower medium line should be used as a second downside target if the price drops and stabilizes below the medium line. Okay, so if the price is here after you draw the descending pitchfork, it could retest the upper medium line, confirming this line as a strong dynamic resistance, and you should wait maybe for test, retest, false breakouts here before selling with the first target at the medium line. And if the price retests the upper medium line, you can place your stop loss right below, above this former higher high, right above this pivot point. Okay, and the medium line. The medium line attracts the price in 80% cases, situations. So if the price retests the upper medium line, could drop towards the medium line. Also, the price could drop towards the medium line without retesting the upper medium line. But as I've told you, it is important for the price to retest the upper medium line when you have a descending pitchfork, because you can place your stop loss here right above this pivot and wait for the price to be attracted by the medium line. If the price drops towards the medium line, it could reach it, it could register a valid breakdown and continue towards the lower medium line, or it could register only a false breakdown and then it could come back towards the upper medium line. Or if the price drops and fails to reach the medium line, then it should come back towards the upper medium line. And if you have the price here, and if the price breaks above, registers, and makes a valid breakout above the upper medium line, then you should expect the price to continue higher. Okay, and you can use this area between the upper medium line and the medium line as a down channel. Also, here at the ascending pitchfork, you can use this space as an up channel. Okay, so you can use these lines as resistance lines, support lines, targets. Okay, so very important here as well. And if the price drops outside of the descending pitchfork below the lower medium line, the price could continue to drop deeper. Okay, so you can use these as resistance here, first target, second target, as support, okay. Okay, let's continue, let's move forward and let's draw some pitchforks. Okay guys, let's take two examples here and let's talk about an ascending pitchfork and about a descending pitchfork, how to draw it and how to identify trading opportunities. Okay, so we'll use the TradingView platform for this tutorial. So all you have to do is to go here on the left and select Pitchfork. Select 3 points, 3 pivot points, and then the platform draws the ascending pitchfork. Okay, and as you can see here, the price has increased a little, has tested, retested the lower medium line, validating this lower medium line as an important dynamic support. Here we have the medium line, and here we have the upper medium line. Okay, and as I've told you earlier, if the price confirms the pitchfork, the ascending pitchfork, by testing and retesting the lower medium line, we have here a false breakdown, a bullish engulfing, signaling that the price could continue to increase. The price moved in a range, in a minor range here. It has jumped towards the medium line after retesting the lower medium line. So the price was attracted by this medium line. The price has reached the medium line, it has decreased a little, and then it has jumped above it. It has tested, retested, and it has continued to increase, staying above the medium line. You can see here that every time the price fails to approach the medium line, it drops again towards the lower medium line. Okay, and here as well. When the price fails to reach the upper medium line, it will come back towards the medium line, which acts as a magnet, as I told you earlier. So the price has continued to increase inside of this pitchfork, retesting the medium line, but unfortunately it has failed to approach the second target, as I've told you, the second upside target represented by the upper medium line. The price has decreased, has dropped below the medium line. It has reached the lower medium line, which represents strong dynamic support, as I told you earlier. And from here, it has jumped higher to reach the upper medium line. False breakout, drop towards the medium line, decrease towards the lower medium line, and here this breakdown below the lower medium line has signaled a potential drop here. Okay, so you can use these as any other support and resistance lines, levels. The lower medium line could be used as a dynamic support level, and you can find and you can try to identify buying opportunities when the price reaches the lower medium line, retests the lower medium line, or when it makes false breakdowns below the lower medium line. And when the price is traded above the medium line, you can also look for long entries if the price retests the medium line with a potential target at the upper medium line. Okay, let's take another example and let's talk about a descending pitchfork. The second example, let's select the pitchfork tool. We'll select 1, 2, and 3 pivot points, and now we have here a descending pitchfork. Now the price has decreased a little, we have a gap down, and this candle here, right after the gap down, this bullish candle retested the upper medium line in this case. So upper medium line, the medium line, which acts as a magnet and attracts the price. As you can see here, after the retest, here the price decreased to reach the medium line. And here we have the lower medium line. In this case, the price has reached the lower medium line, the second downside target. Also, it has dropped below this downside target, continuing to drop. And if you want to see this retest better, let's take a look on the 4-hour chart. You see that the price has retested the upper medium line. Okay, we had a drop, come back, retest here of the upper medium line. This retest has validated, has confirmed the upper medium line to be an important resistance, dynamic resistance. And after this retest, the price has continued to drop with the first target at the medium line. Here we had only a false breakdown after this aggressive drop, so it was natural a comeback, a rebound. The price failed to come back towards the upper medium line, and every time the price failed to increase towards the upper medium line, it has decreased again towards the medium line. And in the end, here, after this sideways movement above this support, the price has registered a valid breakdown here through the medium line, drop, retest, here a new lower low, then it has continued to decline within this descending pitchfork. And now at the end, it's important for you to understand that this trading tool helps us to identify great trading opportunities. Okay, so you can hide your stop loss and you can place your stop loss right above this pivot point when you have a descending pitchfork. When you have drawn a descending pitchfork, you can hide your stop loss right above the pivot point or right above a potential false breakout above this uptrend line, and the first target at the medium line and the second target at the lower medium line. Okay, so all these tests, retests, or false breakouts above the upper medium line would help you to catch a downside movement with a potential target at the medium line, at the lower medium line, and you can hide your stop loss right above this pivot point or above a false breakout here. Okay, and let's take the other example. Let's draw the ascending pitchfork again here. 1, 2, 3 points, and here as well. This false breakdown here below the lower medium line, this bullish engulfing, represents a bullish signal, a buying opportunity, and you can hide your stop loss below this pivot point, below the false breakdown here, below this lower low, and you can place your first upside target at the medium line and maybe the second target, upside target, at the upper medium line. Okay guys, you can use this trading tool along with other tools like Fibonacci retracements, extensions, along with pivot points, along with static support and resistance, and along with other technical indicators. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can comment, you can share our videos, and don't forget guys that you can join our Telegram group, our VIP Telegram group, by accessing this link here, Learn to Trade Go Premium. Thank you guys, bye bye.